You're a woman over 40 who loves skincare and you're struggling with not seeing results that you expected, even though you're using all of the right products that you've been told to use. And all you really wanted was glowing, youthful, radiant skin that looks good and feels amazing. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly the top reasons why your skincare is not working and how you can fix it. Welcome back to the Skin Diva channel, where we help women over 40, yes, over 40, get glowing, radiant, and youthful skin. I'm Nancy Reagan. First, let's talk about the hidden toxins in your skincare products. Now, what we're finding out is not only the food affected in the United States, but our skincare is also loaded with toxins. A lot of skincare lines have harmful ingredients like sulfates, parabens, synthetic fragrances, endocrine disruptors, and you have no idea that it's harming the skin. And it's going deep into the body, and it's really causing havoc with mostly women's systems. The solution for this is finding non-toxic ingredients, number one, and finding brands that give you transparency in their formulations. I really want you to check your labels because it's important for your health, not only for the inside of you, but you want to glow, and you deserve glowing skin. Next is we're going to talk about using the wrong products for your skin type. This is such a common problem because you can think that you have oily skin and you really have dry patches certain places, and it's easy to make this mistake because sometimes the cleansers that you're using actually can dry and dehydrate you. And honestly, not all products are suitable for every skin type. For example, heavy creams on oily skin is a big no-no. It clogs pores depending on what's in it, while the lightweight gels can really not be enough for somebody who has super dry, dehydrated skin. The biggest solution you can really truly find is understanding what kind of skin type you have and choosing the products that are unique to you. One easy way that I always love is taking your fingers and going from the side of your face into your nose to see where the oil is, and not doing this first thing in the morning, but do it a lot around lunchtime or noontime. And wherever the oil is going to tell you kind of how much oil or lipids you have in your skin. It'll help you determine whether or not, if your skin is super dry, then you're going to completely not feel any oil, even when you get to your nose. But if your skin is oily, you're going to feel the oil out here. So for those of you that are lucky enough to have oily skin way past your 40s, you're going to see that your skin is filled with lipids, and choosing the skin products that are right for you is super important. Next up is overloading your routine. And I cannot stress that simple is so much better. At one point, there was people that were going, oh, you got to use 10 products and everything. So more is not always better. And putting too many active ingredients can lead to irritation. But you don't want to counteract or the benefits of the products that you're using. And when you're doing this, it's better to simplify your routine. Make it easy. Get a cleanser, get a toner, get a serum, get a moisturizer, and in the daytime, use a sunscreen. If you feel like you need to add more, but keep it really super simple. The other thing about keeping it simple is it helps you determine if you're going to have a reaction, which product is actually causing the reaction. And now let's talk about not giving your products enough time to work. And this is a super common problem, but different brands have different methods of healing the skin, and skincare takes time. The results from getting a spot like you might have a pigmentation on your skin that you want to get rid of. Well, it didn't get there in 2 weeks, and it's going to take longer than 2 weeks to get rid of it. What I call the treatment products, those are going to take anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks to actually really show the benefits. And even with NAD, you do feel like, oh my gosh, this is working so well, even after 14 days. But with NAD and niacinamide, where you truly see the results of the smoothing of the skin and the tightening is in the 2-month to 3-month range, and it only gets better with time. More on our discussion is we're going to talk more about environmental and lifestyle factors. And these are super important to your overall of why your skincare isn't working. So we're looking at things like sleep, which is, everybody needs it and it's super important. Poor diet can affect your skincare not working. Environmental damage that we see all the time. Sun is the sabotager. We do need a little bit of it every day, but too much of it can really dehydrate the skin. But when you pair great skincare with a healthy lifestyle, you're going to get the best results. And by healthy lifestyle, trying to eliminate all the toxins in your nutrition and trying to really make sure you're getting enough water every day. These lifestyle factors of inside out are truly what's going to help your skincare that you're using topically work even better from the inside. To help you navigate the world of skincare and the common mistakes, I have created a great guide. It's free. It helps you understand beauty labels. It helps you choose the right ingredients. Especially, it helps you choose non-toxic ingredients. And if you want it for free, you have to click the link down in the description below, and you can get on it and find out what's toxic, what's not toxic, and how you can prevent any problems with your skincare. And if you're ready to see real results from your skincare, try Skin Diva Labs. Our non-toxic vegan products are totally designed to work with any skin type, so you don't really have to worry about whether it's oily or dry. It delivers the nourishment to the cells, and it helps the cells rebuild themselves, which is what you do to repair the damage to the skin. Click the link below to explore our little, small, very wonderful collection of skin products and start your journey to radiant skin today. Speaking of ingredients, are you sure that the products that you're using are really safe for your skin? In my next video, I'm breaking down the ultimate hit list of ingredients you should never, ever, ever put on your face. These are hidden culprits. It could be sabotaging your skin's health and glow, and you have no idea. Click the video on your screen now to find out what to avoid and how to choose so much better for your skin, because your skin deserves no toxins.